Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to enable or disabling the editing permission on a Google Sheets documents. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Google Sheet application, and whenever you open it you just need to decide which documents that you want to manage the access. So here for example I will already open my Google Sheet and I would like to choose this document, and after you find it you just need to go click these three small dots on the documents and just right away jump into the manage access. And in this manage access you just need to take a look on the general access and you just need to go click it. And now you just need to change from restricted here by clicking this part, and you just need to change from restricted into anyone with link. And after that there will be like another options pop up right below the first option, and then you just need to expand it by click this way. And now you just need to change from viewer into the editor since you want to enable in the editing part. And now you need to copy the link and send it to your friends so that your friends will be able to edit these Google Sheets documents. And the way how to make the document disabling to be edited by everyone, you just need to go back and take a look on the anyone with the link over here and click it, and you just need to change it back from anyone with the link into restricted. And now it's only you who can edit this document. So that's the way how to enable or disabling editing permission on a Google Sheet. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.